Alright, this video is to help with word count coding bat question, and we have an array of strings which you need to loop through and count how many have the length equal to the length coming in. And so we're just going to need a count variable to count how many have that length, and then we can do either a enhanced for loop because we're not altering the elements and we want to visit them one at a time, or we could do a regular loop. Right? I kind of like the enhanced one. And they're kind of just two parts. You do whatever is in the array or array list, which is strings. Just give it a name like S, and then colon. Maybe I'm going to say word, and then colon, the name of the array or array list. So I'm going to pull each string from words one at a time and store it in word. Right? And I want to know if word equals, no, if word dot length equals the length that they sent in, then I'm going to increase the count. Alright, so this is the enhanced for loop version of it, and then when the loop is done running, just return count. Alright, hit go. You don't even need to cross your fingers on that one. That one's pretty straightforward. Yeah, so this saves you having to do like reference the word position I or whatever doing the enhanced for loop. Alright, hope that helps.